Y'all must be saying, why Xenia always have a crusty shirt on? This is my dye my hair shirt. Okay, so don't judge me yet.
Put your hands to the constellations. The way you look should be a sin. You my sensation.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now y'all must be saying, Xenia, this is the second video you've done with a wrinkly old shirt, but today I can explain, because as you can see from the title of this video, we're gonna be dyeing my hair. And I've been wearing my hair blonde for the past couple of months. For me, if you want to look like a baddie on a budget, you have to learn how to do a lot of these things yourself. Let me show you guys what we're going to use to dye my hair. First of all, you're gonna need your gloves. Okay, mixing bowl and brush. Then you're going to need from Clairol, it's the powder lightener. So that's this one. And then this. The Clairol Pure White Creme Developer 30. When I first started, I used the 20, and then as I became more of an expert, I started using the 30 developer. Because my hair is so black, the 20 developer I think is used on people with gray hair. But this one is used for people with my hair color, black hair. So when you dye it, after 2 dyes, you'll get the color you want. Sometimes I do it 3 times. They say you're not supposed to do it 3 times, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. You just gotta make those sacrifices. So does it sting? Sometimes, yeah. But you know what? Sometimes with beauty, there comes pain. Okay, so that's what I use. So let's just get started into making my little mixture. I want my hair to be as white as the people on Game of Thrones. Like, I like that ash blonde white. I do have some leftover powder lightener here. This is a Big Gun powder lightener, and it works pretty well. I'm going to start off using this one first because I had it there already. I pour this in. As you can see, it has like a blue mixture, blue type of color. So I pour it in, and then I add my developer until whatever consistency I think works. I normally like a consistency that's a bit more gooey because I find the hair does better when the consistency is gooey. So let's just add this here. I hope you guys can see. Right, yes. Then I take my mixture, I mix it together. And that's why I like dyeing it myself, because it feels like a science experiment. I feel like when you go to the hairdresser, it's nice as like a luxury treatment. And I would, maybe I'm saying this now because I would love to one day just go to the hairdresser and have them do it for me. But for right now, I like doing it myself. I cut my own hair, I dye my own hair, I do my own makeup. Now, mind you, my makeup not the best, you know. I haven't actually come on camera with my makeup yet because I'm still trying to like figure out how to do it. So at some point in the life, I'll be able to afford to do all the things I want to do. But in the meantime, for me to continue to look bougie on a budget, I had to learn to do some of these things myself. So this is what it looks like. Now we're going to apply this mixture to my hair. I normally start off with whatever is on the brush because one thing about Xenia, she is a frugal franny, honey. Now I try to do the back first and get everything off my brush. Then I normally spread it with my fingers because I don't have much hair, and I find like the brush sometimes misses key spots, and then I end up with my hair, instead of it looking all white, I look like a Dalmatian because I missed a spot, and I hate looking like a Dalmatian. Might actually need some more dye. Start to stuff when I speak. So I normally try to do this part within 2 minutes. As you can see, some parts are already turning like lighter. So I'm going to double check the back to make sure that I didn't miss any spots with my mirror. And if need be, I'll make another mixture and apply it, and I'm going to cover my head. When I tell you I'm a proper amateur, so I have this whole section in the back there that I need to do. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll come back when I'm covering my head. I leave this in my hair for about an hour. It's 2:07 p.m. So I'm gonna leave this till about 3. I'm probably going to make myself some lunch, make my family lunch, and I will come back. And when I come back, we'll see what it looks like.
1 hour later.
So the hair has been washed. The hair has been washed. I right now look like that guy from One Piece, Sanji. I literally look like Sanji right now. So, as y'all know, I hate this hair color on me. Some people are able to rock like this yellowy orangey shade, but that's not me. Like, I like platinum blonde. So we are now going to do our second dye. Let me get my gloves. Y'all ever seen that in the movies where they like the doctor is like, you know? Time to go into round 2. I'm going to use the remainder of this mixture that I have here and just apply the excess from the brush. You know the drill. Once the brush is clean, we use our fingers and we get in real dirty.
They come off so bitter and almost irrational in their need to hyper-focus all of their pain and
Lee remained gracious as always, but there was a hint of uncertainty in his sign-off.
for the first time I highlighted.
I mean, it's alright. It's still not the color I want yet. I think we're going to go another round because it's cool. We're not there yet. So, going to rinse it out now. Let us see what it looks like.
A few moments later.
So, this is what we're looking like right now. What we're looking like. It's a little closer to the color I want, but I don't know if it's just me, but it still has a little bit of a yellowy tint. Like I tell you, I don't like yellow. Like, this is not the shade that I like. I like platinum blonde. So we're gonna do this one last time. Usually my scalp at this point is like, oh, sweetie, this is it. You've done enough. You know what I mean?
Eventually.
Okay, so it is now 5:45. Let's take a look at my hair. Hopefully you can see. So if we do not get the color I want, I'm going to use this, the Wella toner. So let's rinse it out and see if we finally got the color. I don't think I got the color. Still looks a little yellowy orange to me, but I'm going to rinse it out anyway and just apply the toner because I'm tired of doing this. So let's go. Let me go take a shower and I'll be right back. All right, so this is our final color. Oops, y'all are tilted. I'm sorry. So this is the final color for right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style it probably tomorrow because right now it's after 6 and I'm tired. So I'm gonna style it and I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. So it's a couple of days later. Y'all can see the hair. It's actually, the black is already starting to kind of grow in, which is so annoying. So I filmed this maybe about 7 days ago, 8 days ago. That I know I should have filmed, honestly. I should have filmed while it was like super fresh. So we're looking at like 10 days of growth. You can actually start to see some of the black coming through. But other than that, my hair looks great. My hair looks great. So this is the color that I normally try to stick to. Right now I'm just putting on some mascara because I have some stuff to film today. So this is the final look, you guys. I love my hair this color. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please give it a like and subscribe and comment down below some other videos y'all want to see from me because you know, now that I have some free time, I might as well take advantage of the YouTube. I've been thinking of doing some fitness videos, like maybe showing my workouts and how I train, what I eat in a day, things like that. So y'all let me know what y'all want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I am so cute. Nothing they can say, nothing they can do. Like, when I get the Lori Harvey body, it's over.